यार पर ये बहुत हैवी हो गया यार, ये बहुत इमोशनल हो गया। मुझे मैं रोना चाह रही हूँ, रोने को ट्रांजिशन समझ के प्लीज ये हटा दो प्लीज। सेटअप हटाओ।
खुल के रो जेबी, खुल के रो, कोई टेंशन नहीं।
यार रोना आ रहा है।
हाँ कोई सवाल भी आ रहा है?
ये सवाल भी आ रहा है। The nation wants to know, they want to know and I even I want to know।
ओ भैया भाई सुनना, पीछे आ जाना, इतना बहुत जगह है पीछे।
प्लीज क्लियर कर।
फर्स्टली तो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हमारे लिए, हम सारे टाइटल्स के लिए। इट रियली मीन्स ए ह्यूज डील फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। एंड आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर आई थिंक आपको शो देखकर ही पता लगेगा।
Oh God, ये तो गलत बात है यार। अच्छा एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, क्या ये फाइनल सीजन है? Don't do this.
हमें लास्ट सीजन भी ऐसा लगा था कि ये फाइनल सीजन है, बट वी आर बैक विद अनदर सीजन नाउ। डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ दिस शो डज, व्हिच इट ऑलवेज हैज गिवन अस अ लॉट ऑफ लव, maybe we'll come back for another season, but we don't. क्या बात है? नहीं Netflix बहुत मारेगा। Yes, this is the final season.
Hopeful thinking तो जारी भले ही बोल।
It's all wishful thinking. It's all wishful thinking.
But we'll keep praying.
सारे काफी सीजन परफॉर्मर्स हैं, तो एक और सीजन होगा कि नहीं होगा? पाजी, you know my joke, you know my sense of humor. I love you रणविजय पाजी। और
Last season ऐसे क्यों? I can easily say कि यशराज के पास राज और सिमरन है, बजाते के पास प्रेम और निशा है, नेटफ्लिक्स के पास डिम्पल और ऋषि है।
What a beautiful journey this has been. Coffee spills.
I was on my way to some place and she's like, "Do you have a minute?" I said, "Can I meet you after?" She's like, "No, I need to talk to you about something important." तो उसने मुझे बिठा के ये पूछा कि कैसे कर सकते हो तुम ऐसे ऋषि के साथ, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मसला क्या है। मैं कहा मैं आती हूँ। So I like that they are so affected and so involved and they love the characters as much as we do. So.
How sweet, yeah. I want to know from the rest of the cast, especially रणविजय, Vidya. I mean, I want to know that ये कैसे एक डेली लाइफ का पार्ट बन गया है। You all have become a part of their dinner scenes, their coffee scene, बैठ के कॉफी साथ में पी रहे हैं और शो देख रहे हैं। I mean, they all feel that they're together in it. उनकी कहानी चल रही है। I mean, do you second that? विद्या बोली ना, विद्या बोली दो ना। पहले आप।
No, I think it's just very humbling, yeah, to be able to receive that kind of love. I think इसके पहले इतने सारे love letters, इतनी सारी बिरयानी की notes मुझे पहले कभी नहीं मिली थी, but Mismatch from season 1 itself has been so special, not just for me, but I think all of us. लोग जीनत करके बुलाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like how Prajakta said. And I think there's the bonding, there's the camaraderie, there's always this excitement to come back and do this. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to starting shoot with everyone again.
I think also what is the most beautiful feeling is that honestly ever since Mismatch, आप किसी भी सिटी चले जाओ इंडिया में या बाहर भी, इनफैक्ट काफी सिटीज में, आई फील लाइक देयर इज अ सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी। ऐसा कभी लगता नहीं है कि आप उस शहर को जानते नहीं हो, बिकॉज व्हेन पीपल मीट यू, they don't meet you and they don't say hi, my name is so and so. They just start answering, they just start asking questions. It's like, why did you do that? Oh, we really love Rishi. Hi Rishi. I think it's one of the most beautiful feelings that every place feels extremely familiar. I think it's also been 7 years, Ranvijay, and we were discussing today कि पहला season आया 2019 में, where we started shooting in 2019 and we're in 2026, 4 seasons later. I think while we have grown up shooting this show, I think our fans have grown up with us, and I feel like they're not just our audiences, they're also the reason why we've actually managed to come to season 4. So yeah.
So good evening everyone. Guys, you're doing an awesome job. Zordar taaliyan dono ke liye.
Thank you.
I think the real strength is in the writing. I want to say kudos to the Netflix team, Cousins team. The way they've made us grow in our characters, grow our relationships, go through a lot of ups and downs. That's what the people, that when you say they're sitting at dinner tables and talking, because they're going through the same things themselves. And it is so real that Rishi and Dimple are going through this. A lot of people are relating to that. Some people are relating to Krish, Harsh. All these characters are so real, yet this is a fantasy world that people are saying, okay, it's not happening to us, but we're living through them. And we're really happy that the writing team kind of takes care of all of us and all these characters, and everybody feels like, at the end of the day, when we go back to shoot, it feels like we're back home. We're like a family. It's been 7 years, like Rishi. See, we also sometimes call each other, एक दूसरे को dimple ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो I think it's us coming back as a family, and that's what people know. उनको दिख रहा है, उनको प्यार दिख रहा है, and that's why we've been able to kind of share the love.
Yes, it's sir, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. But on that note, Vihan, Ehsaas, Shahrukh, क्या कहना चाहोगे? I'm sure.
First of all, hello. Thank you all for being here. मैं जितना भी काम करूँ, I've done a couple of different shows and movies. Everyone asks me the same thing after release. कि Mismatch का नया season कब आ रहा है? So I think it's one of those shows that stick with you through your entire life. Airports, coffee shops, here, abroad, wherever it is. And it's something that has struck a very deep chord in people for a very long time. तो मुझे तो 15 और सीजन चाहिए. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Harsh is coming back this season, which is so exciting for all of us and for the audiences. Very excited about it.
Yes, I'm excited to be back.
क्या बात है? Ehsaas.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy to be back here. This is a reunion that I always look forward to. मैं तो बहुत बाद में आई थी शो में एक्चुअली, और फिर भी मुझे इतना ज़्यादा प्यार और इतना एक्सेप्टेंस मिला है फैन से, हम सबको, और मुझे फिर मोल को बहुत मिला है. सो आई वाज ऑलवेज very grateful for that. In fact, I still get like these really long paragraphs, and it's just so overwhelming. And you know, there are people who just open their hearts in DMs and they give us so much love, and it's just so, you know, it's just surreal how all of this has turned out to be.
क्या बात है. वैसे बैक टू बैक सीजन्स आते रहे, जैसे तुमने कहा कि मैं चाहता हूँ 15 सीजन तक जाए. हाँ नहीं, बिल्कुल आते रहे यार. And we are keeping our fingers crossed. After 15 years, when next on Netflix happens, there's another season of Mismatch, saying ये last है. On that note, thank you so much, guys. And कल क्या music है यार? Love it.
2-3 बार हो चुका है. पर भाई आप इसमें आ रहे हो ना, बाकी लोग का काम करा दो ना, पीछे आके बैठो.
Honestly, whoever is curating the music for these guys, what a game of music. Thank you so much, guys. Love meeting you all. Thank you,
रोहित सोलो.